Oh my God. I am not ready. All right. Anyhow, I'm ready to read to you something. It says here, make your life your own life to manage. Be the CEO. And remember, you cannot change people, but you can change yours. Choose people who aligns with your belief and your values. Uphold your boundaries. Never tolerate anything that makes you feel uncomfortable. Choose what you will focus on. Live life without expectation. Live life without prejudice. Have empathy. Love. Love unconditionally. Believe in yourself. Stay confident. Have courage. You can build your strength in your mind, in your heart, and in your body. No need to go to the gym and build those muscles. You can do exercise around where you are. There's many things to do around the house. You understand? You don't have to pay a monthly fees or a yearly fees or membership just to be in the gym to do your workout. You can do it even just around where you are right now. All right. In life, you have to take responsibility for your own life. Like I said, be the CEO, be the manager, be the boss of your own life. I have been watching videos of the mafia lifestyle, Brooklyn, Manhattan. I never heard of mafia in Australia. I must be behind. But then again, let's go back to this mindful idea of living. Stop asking permission. You are not someone's possession. Your life is yours. You can share your life with someone you like to be around you. And with that someone, you can complement each other. You can share ideas. You can share your food together. You can share responsibilities together. And you can live happily together for a long, long time. It's okay to prioritize yourself in situations that you have to. Self-care is self-love, and self-care is not selfish. It's important. You have to build your strength. When the person beside you is falling down, you can lift them up. You can help them to build their strength up. You can extend your hand and you can help them. Stop living as if you belong to someone. And stop living as if you cannot live on your own. You're not an orchid. Orchids attach themselves to something and to survive. We're not an orchids. We are human. We are born alone. We will leave this place alone. Stop asking for permission. Do what you need to do. Be the CEO, the Chief Operating Officer of your own life. Have a great day.